Still getting inaccurate electrical readings, or unsure which clamp meter is actually worth buying? The wrong tool can waste your time, deliver unreliable measurements, and even create safety risks. In this video, we'll compare 5 of the best clamp meters, highlighting their key features, strengths, and real-world performance to help you choose the right one. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Now, let's get started. Number 1. AstroAI Clamp Meter. The AstroAI clamp meter is designed for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals looking for a dependable all-around testing solution. It delivers reliable performance across a wide range of electrical tasks while remaining simple enough for beginners to operate confidently. One of its biggest advantages is the 4,000-count auto-ranging display. That feature automatically selects the correct measurement range, helping users save time while reducing the chance of incorrect readings during everyday troubleshooting and maintenance. This clamp meter accurately measures AC and DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and continuity. It also features non-contact voltage detection and live wire testing, allowing users to identify energized circuits more safely before making direct contact. The AstroAI clamp meter performs especially well for household repairs, automotive diagnostics, and general electrical maintenance. It combines useful features with dependable accuracy, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a versatile and user-friendly clamp meter. Number 2. Klein CL120 Clamp Meter. The Klein CL120 Clamp Meter is a professional-grade tool designed for electricians and technicians who require accuracy and durability. It supports up to 400 amp AC current measurement, along with AC and DC voltage, resistance, and continuity testing, making it suitable for a wide range of electrical applications. The auto-ranging functionality simplifies usage by automatically selecting the correct measurement range, saving time and effort. One of its standout features is the built-in non-contact voltage detection, which allows users to safely identify live wires without direct contact, improving safety on the job. Built with high-quality materials, this meter is designed to withstand tough working conditions and long-term use. The display is clear and easy to read, even in challenging environments. Overall, the Klein CL120 is a dependable choice for professionals who need consistent performance, safety, and durability in their daily electrical tasks. Number 3. Kaiweets Clamp Meter. The Kaiweets clamp meter is a modern and feature-packed electrical testing tool designed for accurate and convenient measurements. It comes with a 4,000 counts display and auto-ranging functionality, allowing users to measure AC and DC current and voltage with ease and precision. A key feature of this meter is its D-shaped jaw design, which improves accessibility when working in tight or crowded electrical panels. In addition to standard measurements, it also supports temperature testing, continuity, diode testing, and non-contact voltage detection, making it highly versatile. The built-in flashlight and backlit display provide added convenience when working in low-light conditions. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip during extended use. Overall, the Kaiweets clamp meter offers a strong combination of modern features, reliability, and ease of use, making it suitable for both home users and professionals. Number 4. Mestek Clamp Meter. The Mestek clamp meter is a high-performance device designed for professionals who need advanced measurement capabilities and precision. It features a 6,000 counts display with true RMS technology, ensuring accurate readings even in complex and unstable electrical conditions during real-world applications. This meter can measure up to 600 A current along with AC and DC voltage, resistance, capacitance, temperature, diode, and continuity functions, making it a complete testing solution. The auto-ranging feature makes operations simple and efficient, while the non-contact voltage detection enhances user safety during testing and troubleshooting tasks. Its durable build quality ensures long-term reliability, even in demanding environments such as industrial sites or repair workshops. The large backlit display provides clear readings, improving usability in different lighting conditions. Overall, the Mestek clamp meter is an excellent option for users who require accuracy, advanced features, and dependable performance for professional electrical work. Number 5. Aneng Clamp Meter. The Aneng clamp meter is a compact and efficient tool designed for everyday electrical testing and maintenance tasks. It features a 4,000 counts display and supports measurement of AC and DC current and voltage, making it suitable for a variety of basic and intermediate applications. In addition to standard measurements, it also includes resistance, capacitance, frequency, diode, and continuity testing functions, offering good versatility for its size. The non-contact voltage detection feature enhances safety by allowing users to identify live wires without direct contact. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to carry and use in different environments, whether at home or on-site. The backlit display ensures clear visibility, even in low-light conditions. Overall, the Aneng clamp meter is a budget-friendly and reliable choice for users seeking a simple yet functional electrical testing tool. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.